The spare rib parts of the mutton, basically the part which is, kind of fatty and also the cartilage kind of thing. When it is cooked well, it is like coconut piece. You bite into it and it's nice and juicy. So this Hindi we call it Seena, and the Seena mutton curry is very, very tasty with very little spices, but you got to fry it after boiling it nicely with masalas. Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com, and today we're going to make this mutton Seena, which I love it, and especially it is nice and chewy, and a good accompaniment with that would be any dal. So I'm going to make the yellow cucumber dal also with this, but first, how are we going to cook this Seena? So the best way for me to cook this is add oil into a pan. I'm going to add a little bit of Garam Masala, the whole clove and cardamom. I'm going to add a little bit of jeera and chopped onion. Not too much, a little bit. Add a little bit of salt and fry these onions till they are golden. When the onions are getting slightly colored, I'm adding coconut powder, very little. So that much. Even this coconut powder has to brown. Only then the result will be good. The onion and the coconut, everything is brown. In this, we're going to add ginger garlic paste, add a little bit of turmeric, and add this mutton Seena pieces. Add water. We're going to add some coriander powder, a little bit of garam masala powder. This is a small cooker, so I'm going to cook at least for 3-4 whistles till this is nice and soft. Do not overcook, otherwise the fat whatever will melt and it will not be good. After a couple of whistles and cooking, look at the thing. See, this is nice and the bone is kind of separating, and that is what is nice and tender. Perfect. We want to cook this in these juices with nice chili powder and pepper powder and salt. That should be perfect. Add very little oil, and in this we're going to add some garlic. A little bit of curry leaf, optional. Let this garlic slightly sizzle in this. Look at all this gravy. We're going to add it here. In this, add salt, little more. I want to add a little bit of chili powder and crushed pepper. We're going to slowly reduce it till some of the oil starts showing up. Then the real flavor of this Seena can be enjoyed. While the thing is slowly cooking, the oil is started coming out, and that is what will be very, very tasty. I need to cook this some more. Lot more oil is coming out. You can use this, you don't have to eat all this oil. You can use this as rogan for other curries. It will make it tasty. But the shiny, shiny meat that is coming up here, this is what is awesome Seena, that people just love it. Finish it off by adding some chopped coriander, mix it so that will get nicely flavored. And my awesome mutton Seena, that too, the kind of masala dry is ready. Now look at this beautiful meat. This is what I call mutton Seena, cooked to perfection. Wah 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 wah. Yeah, right choice, baby. Aha, Wow magic with Chef Money. I'm going to cook tur dal along with yellow cucumber. First, add tur dal in a pressure cooker, add a little bit of turmeric, the same yellow cucumber, I've cut them into slightly bigger pieces. These will get kind of mashy when this is done. Add some more water. In this, we're going to add few pieces of green chilli. I'm going to let the dal cook for 2 whistles. But look at the dal is nicely cooked and as well as yellow cucumber. That's it. I don't want to cook this any further. Now, we'll do the tempering. I'm going to do a tempering with ghee. No big deal, okay. In the ghee, I'm going to add the red chilli to get out the nice flavor. The moment you add this in the ghee, some of the red color will start coming out. That is what is flavoring the ghee. In this, add mustard seeds, add cumin seed, pinch of hing, lots of curry leaf, and add the dal. Now the consistency of the dal is up to your choice. In this, add some salt. The yellow cucumber dal is ready. Simple tempering, and this will be a great combination for your meat curry. I love to eat a lot of these yellow cucumber pieces, and more the cucumber pieces and little less of dal will be very interesting. Look at this. Nice ghee tempering makes this really, really tasty. This dal with yellow cucumber is just amazing. Absolutely fantastic. People just love this, and especially at my home, we often used to make this, and this yellow cucumber with mutton curry also will be very, very tasty. There is something else magical waiting. The top of the spare rib parts, and this is nice and juicy, nice fatty. All I can tell you is keep cooking great food and enjoy great food. When you eat the best of the best food, you have to say, "Vareva." Let me enjoy this. See you in another recipe. Till then, bye-bye.